Hello student, good morning. Today we will study the last bargain poem class 8th from NCERT book. A bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. Someone is looking for work, waiting to be hired. He strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. He tries twice again but doesn't like either. Finally, in the last bargain, when he is hired for nothing whatever, he is happy as never before. What is the bargain and why is it the best? The poet is wanted for the job and he is doing bargaining. What is the bargaining? Let us read in the stanza. Come and hire me, I cried while in the morning. One day the poet came out of his house and he wanted to be hired. And he said, come and hire me. And he cried while in the morning. I was walking on the stone paved road. The poet was walking on the stone paved road, means that was the rough road of life. Here the rough stone paved means rough road of life that is full of pain, because when we do labor, when we do hard work, we have to do more hard work like stone paved road. We have to move like this. Life is not bed of roses. Sword in hand the king came in his chariot. Chariot is a horse carriage. The one king came in his chariot and he had a sword in his hand. He held my hand and said, he held my means the poet's hand and said, he will hire him with my power. If the poet will give his labor, he will give his power. It means that is bargaining. But his power counted for naught means nothing. But the poet did not like his power, and he went away his chariot, and the king went away in his chariot. In the heat of the midday, the house stood with shut door. Next day it was afternoon, very heat was there, midday was there, afternoon was there, and the houses stood with shut doors, means all the people were in the houses and the doors were shut. I wandered means moved here and there along the crooked lane. Crooked lane means like this lane, in this curved lane, and he saw an old man came out with his bag of gold. Old man came and he had a bag of gold. He pondered, he thought and said, pondered means thought and said, I will hire you with my money, because he had money, coins, bag of gold, so he would hire him with money. He means the poet weighs his coin one by one and thought that one day I will consume it, I will spend it in the market or somewhere. But I turned away. He did not take his job and he turned away. Now next part is there. It was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. It means one day again the poet went out of the house and it was evening time. He moved towards the hedge. There were so many flowers. The fair maid means beautiful. Fair means beautiful maid lady came out and said from the garden and said, I will hire you with a smile. Then she will give him a smile. And I will hire you with a smile. You will give your labor and I will give you a smile. Later, her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. It means smiled, paled means her smile became yellow, color became yellow, and melted into tears means broke into tears, and she went back alone into the darkness, because the poet did not take her services. He was not ready for to be hired. The sun glistened on the sand. Again next day he came out of the house. Again next day he came out of the house in the morning. That time sun was glistening, and it was this on the sand, means that was the sea area, and the sea's waves broke waywardly in a hazel manner, because they were coming towards the land, the beach. A child sat playing with shell. He saw a child was sitting and playing with shell and sands there, because shells are found near the sea areas. He raised his head, the child raised his head and seems to know me, and said, I hire you with nothing. And he replied that he would hire him with nothing. He will give him nothing. From henceforward, it means from that moment, suddenly, the same moment, that bargain struck in child's play. And the poet understood, and the bargain struck in child's play. Made me a free man. Made the poet free man, because he wanted the free bargaining. He did not want anything in bargaining. And this poem was written by famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. Here the poem ends. I'll tell you summary of the poem. What is the summary of the poem? The Last Bargain is a poem written by famous and renowned Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. It is a poem about a person looking for a job. The speaker in the poem is searching for a job in which he doesn't have to lose his freedom. He receives the first proposal from a king. The king offers him power in return for his labor, but he refuses the king's offer. He receives the second offer from a rich man. He offers the speaker lots of gold in return for his labor, but the speaker refuses his offer also. He received the third offer from a beautiful girl. She says that she will give him smile in return for his labor. The speaker refuses her offer too. In the end, he finds a child playing on the seashore. The child says that he will offer him nothing in return for his services. The speaker accepts the child's offer, as he can still be a free man. So here the summary ends. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.